Edo Governor Governor Obaseki don tok say the rebirth and relaunch of the state newspaper Nigerian Observer na testament to his government's vision to make Edo State a formidable media hub. Obaseki yarned this one during the commissioning of the Nigerian Observer new office building and Edo Printing Center, as in talk said the state newspaper don dey rebranded and upgraded to meet global standards. Ogbonge people wey join body with the governor for the commissioning now. Former Governor Obiagbena, the PDP governorship candidate for the 2024 elections, Dr. Aswa Ngodalu, Commissioner for Information and Orientation, Chris Nehihari, top government ogas dem, among others. The dignitaries gather for the Nigerian Observer headquarters wey dey along Airport Road for Benin City, join body with Governor Obaseki as dem carry waka around the facility wey include the reception area, offices and the printing center. For his speech, Governor Obaseki contacted the Nigerian Observer don show resilience wey survive plenty shutdown sake of economic and political wahala. A constant talk say,
some of the notable journalists that we have hosted today, as I've said earlier, came from the stable of the Nigerian Observer. After surviving several shutdowns due to economic and political reasons, the newspaper continued publication. So if you look back today and see how many such newspapers that were set up at the same time as the Observer, I believe there perhaps is only the Observer and one other one.
During the event, veteran Tory people wey include Tony Iredia, John Momoh, Nduka Obiagbena, Sonny Irabo, Nosa Igebo, Frank Agbogun, and Ebenezer Abiodun Aloba, a founding staff of the Nigerian Observer, come receive recognition of their outstanding contribution to the development of the nation's media and come also enter the Nigerian Observer Hall of Fame. Governor Governor Obaseki and the entourage come round the day up with the commissioning of the Edo State Agricultural Hub. For in remarks, Governor Obaseki Konya and say,
when we came here, you see so many signboards, dead and alive. All sorts of programs, this World Bank on this, World Bank on that. When they finish, you say, okay, you've spent this money. What is the impact? What is the impact? When you call the officer, hey, what about this? Hey, World Bank said, I said, no, World Bank cannot say. We say and tell them what we want, and if they can't help us, let them keep going and we keep going that direction.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.